about somebody that has it right now? They already have one of these medical providers that they just send them over there, get a urinalysis test. But what if they want to move it to the next level? What should they ask? What should they ask of their current, the people they're dealing with? What should they ask of you?
Well, I'm glad you asked that question, because that's a very overpassed question that a lot of people miss, okay? First thing they have to do, just because they're a medical doctor or a nurse does not make them qualified to run a substance abuse program. Medical doctors and nurses specialize in medical treatment. Okay, this is a forensic process. It's a legal issue that they need to address and have an expert such as CalTest to help them. What we do in this case is, first, make sure your provider is certified through either the Substance Abuse Program Administrators Association or the Drug and Alcohol Testing Industry Association. Make sure their collectors are certified as collectors under the Department of Transportation regulations. Make sure that they are qualified providers, breath alcohol technicians. Do they have the certifications and experience and training to do this? Do they provide random testing selections by computer? Do they come on site 24 hours, 7 days a week? You got to make sure you have a provider that's going to assist you, the employer, and not just keep office hours like a medical clinic might require you to do.
Kevin, very interesting. But what do you say to the small company or even the large company that wants to get started? What do you say?
Well, the first thing they should do is kind of tread the waters a little lightly. Start out with a pre-employment testing program to let that program implement and get rolling within the company. It lets the current employees know that you're going to start restricting the use and possession of drugs while at work, while letting new job applicants know that you're going to test them before they get started. And that's a free program, doesn't cost them a cent to get started.
And you do a meeting with the company to set them up?
When they expand the program.
You create a manual?
Yeah, we actually provide the manual, the policy, labor attorney approved policy, and get them up and rolling right from the get-go and get it done right the first time.
Okay, great. I want to thank you for coming on the show. Very interesting.
Thank you for having me, Randy.